Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can sync your team tasks with Outlook Calendar. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Now, after opening the Microsoft Teams, just simply click on the calendar option here. After tapping into the calendar option, you will see all of your tasks here. As you can see, I have made this demo syncing task for 19th March, Tuesday. In order to sync this into Microsoft Calendar, you just simply have to tap on this button here which will say jump to today's view. By following this, it will show the syncing option here, and after syncing successfully, it will say you are up to date. Now, you can check it by opening the Microsoft Outlook to see if the calendar successfully synced or not. As you can see here, it was successfully synced into my Outlook calendar. By following these very easy steps, you can easily sync your team tasks with the Microsoft Calendar. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.